Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Ford Fiesta headrest. First, carefully examine the base of each headrest post where it enters the seat. You will find one obvious button that you can press. On the opposite post, look closely for a smaller, often recessed, release point. This second point is key to a smooth removal process. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with both locations before proceeding. Once you have located both release points, you'll need to press them at the same time. For the recessed button, a small, flat object such as your car key or a flathead screwdriver works perfectly. Apply firm, steady pressure to both the visible button and the hidden release point. This simultaneous action disengages the locking mechanism, allowing the headrest to move freely. With both buttons pressed, gently but firmly pull the headrest straight upwards. It should slide out of its guides. If you find it's a bit stubborn, try reclining the seat back slightly. This can sometimes provide better clearance and an easier angle for removal. Avoid forcing it, as this could damage the seat or the headrest posts. A smooth, steady pull is all that's needed. To reinstall, simply align the headrest posts with the holes in the seat and push down. You should hear a click as it locks into place. Always give it a gentle tug upwards to ensure it's securely fastened before driving. Safety first. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.